that little firewood place where they got that big old building where they cut up all the firewood. Right there by the car wash. And boom, we got a rain wall. Yeah, she said she don't want to. She just said have certain things that direct guy.